Hello everyone, this side Himanshu Sharma, IIT Delhi alumnus. In this video, we are discuss a question from application of derivative that came in 2022. Alright, so let's discuss this problem. So in this question, given that a function that is continuous and such that f dash x greater than 0, that this say f dash x greater than 0, that means fx is strictly increasing. Alright. So first hint of this question is this, and given that our gx function in the terms of fx is this, so given that gx is a f2a square x minus ax square. Now we have to find local maxima or g, local maxima and minima g, point of inflection. So let's differentiate it. So g dash x is equal to f dash 2a square x minus ax square and apply chain rule. So 2a square minus 2ax. Alright, and given that f dash x greater than 0 for all x belongs to real, so this part is always positive, always greater than 0, and this part 0 when x equal to a. So let's discuss when this part is positive and when this part is negative. So let's continue with a wavy curve method. So at x equal to a, that part is 0. So and ahead of a, that part is negative, and less than a, that part is positive. Alright. So from via first derivative test, we can say that function dy by dx or g dash x is positive for all x belongs to minus infinity to a. Alright. So we can say that g is increasing for all x belongs to minus infinity to a, and g dash x less than equal to 0 for all x belongs to a to infinity. Alright. So g is decreasing for all x belongs to a to infinity. Alright. So our function increasing from minus infinity to a. Alright. So from minus infinity to a, our function gx is increasing. So let's draw a rough sketch. Remember, rough sketch, not an exact sketch, that is a rough sketch. Okay. So minus infinity to a, let's our function is increasing, and that is a x equal to a. Alright. And after that a to infinity, our function is decreasing. So decrease. So we got that is a maxima, and that is a rough sketch, not a exact sketch. That is a rough sketch. I can't draw exact diagram of this, graph of this, because we don't know what is the value of fx and what is the function of fx. So via rough sketch, we find that at x equal to a, this function has a local maxima. So option A is right of this question, and that is a very good question to imply the concept of maxima, minima and derivatives. So